What happened? Madam, how much is the money? How much is it? They should attend to her place.
Sometimes person want to buy market like that, so the money go tell them just come out the money for person bank. They do it for me. It's not last week.
Okay, they take money from your account?
Yes, they did it for me.
UBA will take money from your account?
Yes, I bought market finish. I don't buy market of 90,000. I won't withdraw. That's so they do decline and the money don't come out from my bank.
Yes, I know they do that long time. It has been a long time. They do that for me many times. 7 years, 10 years ago, they started like that. But I believe, okay, when you want to withdraw money, they will decline the money and they won't give you the, and they will deduct it from your account.
That's what they do.
So UBA, UBA is one more. We are in the bank. Oh. Let me show this one. Where is the woman? You don't need to cheat the poor people now. I don't know why. They can never, there's no mistake when they want to pay you. But wow. With the inside bank, UBA. You see, I don't want to change my bank. I know this UBA has a lot of problems too. Long time I experienced that. But even when I was in Canada, that I want to change my accounts, I want to change many, they refuse. After getting all my details, you know. I don't know, Sha. The poor woman is here shouting. They should just give them back, or give the woman back the money. UBA, please do something. Uncle Tolu Elumelu, call your girls and boys. Do something. Elumelu. UBA. Eh? I beg you. Uncle Tony Elumelu. Eh? Why now? Why cheating the poor? Let the poor breathe. UBA. Reporting it is okay. Uncle Tony, call your boys. Uncle Tony Elumelu, call your boys. The poor woman is here crying with a little baby. Please, Biko. I don't want people to know that I even come to bank now. Somebody is crying and I cannot withstand it. I have to go online. I know when you want to withdraw, I have this account a long time ago with UBA because I'm banking with UBA now. Long time, sha. So, but about 7, 8, 10 years ago, if you want to use your ATM, I remember one, I used my ATM at ShopRite in Kenya, and they said the network was bad. I didn't receive any money. Then they said the network is bad, but the money went out from my accounts. So a lot of trouble many times like that, you know. So the same thing happening right now. So the woman just she's screaming, and another woman by my side also complaining the same thing, that they took 90,000 out of her accounts. Many people, a lot of people. So So you know all these small people too. AFCC know they allow them to rest. And bank will they collect their money and they know they arrest bank. Now only my husband friend did no man for Jumo. He may feel like in Nigeria. Enjoy UBA, maintain your logo because you are red and white like a Canada flag. I love red and white. Please maintain your logo. Complaint is too much, okay? Are you talking to me? Maintain, please. That should stop. I know network do fail many times, but they should not be taking people for granted, eh? No, some people are doing this network of a thing. It happens everywhere in the world, you know. Somebody want your own in Canada. Like, eh? Immediately, if there is problem, immediately they will take it back. Immediately, they will correct they will correct the flop immediately. But you know, Nigerian things, eh? Some people say, where they know about computer very well, they will even program it so that all those money going out will be going to another forts. So, and some people will be making themselves rich. They're reaching themselves with the other people's money, you know. Please. I know computer the network can flop, but at the same time, please minimize it. Correct the lapses seriously. Please. And also, the attendants, bank attendants, those people, the people attending to them, at times also they take them for granted. But they look at faces, maybe if you are okay, they attend to you good. Maybe for those who are not okay, you know, they look down on them and they maltreat them. Please. We have the same blood, eh? red blood, one head, everybody. Everybody have their rights, either you are rich or poor. Everybody have their rights. And the rich people also should be carrying the frustration more. But the poor are carrying more frustration. You know, please. Let the poor breathe. As Baba said, let the poor breathe. Let them breathe. Let the poor breathe so a job be cold. Wọ́n sì ń pè wọ́n ọkùn tó ní elúmelu wọ́n ti ń pè wọ́n ti ń ríngì UBA seriously, it's not easy to make money, to get money. I've been to bank 3 times now just because of that my business accounts. Sorry. They need my letterhead. I gave them my letterhead. And they also said they need address of my house, giving it to them. They said they need current one. I want to produce, I asked maybe I could give them my Canada address. They said no. So the one here is expired and they said they need current one. And Kuma now they are not giving receipts like before. They are just sending notification for those who live in there. So it's giving me a headache too. I parade, I go to the bank often. You understand? You cannot make little, transaction. Since you can sit at your door, in your sitting room and transfer, you cannot. You have to go to the bank. I've been in bank I've been like this 3 times, 4 times in bank now, just to rectify this. And don't forget, I'm not driving. I spend money every day. What happened? We spend money for Uber to go to bank every day. We pay Uber every day. So they should make life more easy for us. Frustration kill, you know. Lara frustration, I assassinate someone in Nigeria and frustration. Please. They settle the issue. Is everything okay now? You don't know?
Oh yeah, person go front now. When I go front now, time don't go. Me I get to see for school. I'm close by from now. So many people where they from, they don't want to shift, go front. Even me, my own self, I go still stand up, go front.
I'm sorry for the woman. The woman said no be okay. No, the woman she's even sick. She's not. Banking, this in Nigeria is fashion parade. You know, one shame about. No fashion parade. You know, they just want to come and show you know, in our bank. It's good to dress nice, but just they dress nice and then some of them, just a parade show to those rich people that do come to bank and come and sell their markets. It's another not true. But I love UBA. If not because I love UBA, I've been banking with UBA for long. I will change to Senate. Oh, then this place is not moving. UBA. I want to be here, JJ. I don't want to show me my face today. UBA. Okay, now there's no networking. UBA, what happened to your network? No network. Yeah. Listen, one day mama gbé network yìí sápamọ́ ni. Kí ló dé tẹ́ gbé network sápamọ́? Wọ́n ní ẹ̀ ń gba owó àwọn èèyàn tó bá ti ní network ò dá. 22 of this month. Madam? Excuse me, ma'am. Wọ́n ti gba owó ní láti gba owó. Of this, okay, this month. Kò dẹ̀ sí kò tí padà wọlé. So. Okay, well, the money, excuse me, what this woman saying now, she said purposely they will seize the network and taking out people's money, you know, and maybe allege new. Maybe they are systematically using their money for business. Anything can happen, but that's what she said. They are taking people's money, yeah. So I mean, I'm about business vendor when you order from them. I know some vendors they do that. When you order from them, they will take out your money. After the money, they will tell you maybe that product is not available for that moment, and they will collect a lot of money and no interest. They will use the money at that moment, and to refund the money, it will be a problem. Yeah, that happened to me many ways. Shop Ukomai. Yes, that happened to me. I know it's possible too. It's possible. So people play on people's intelligence. It's just in form of borrowing money, taking people's phone, no interest. You know, some people complaining 1 month their money have been deducted from their accounts and it has not been refunded, and no interest so far. And when you are coming to the bank, they complain every day that there's no network, come back today, tomorrow. So I know they can do. There's nothing the people cannot do. Please correct this. Nigeria government, Shemo, you make a remote comment that UBA, that UBA is one of the best bank. I love UBA, but I am telling you, I have a lot of complaints. But I don't complain much because, you know, I know because nobody is perfect. But I have a lot of complaints too about them, and people are talking right now. Please do something, you know. Call your voice, call your voice, call your voice, call your voice, call your voice. So can we, is it possible for us to, they are moving? Okay. Thank God. They are moving now. But you want bank Mary 4 times. 4 times. Timba fair common 50,000. I will come to bank. Oh, Tiba me rectify a lot of do. Oh, she can't go to this Nigeria by. Oh, she come. Oh, Tiba me rectify here. King so they know I want to want customer service here. Money send this madam, send this madam. I send everything. Oh, rectify it. Work with one joy money you be able to watch you tight to. Oh, teach she up till now. Letter head, I need the Afuni address. One equal she current one. So many complain lower. Ẹjọ́ torí àwọn tó wà ní bank majority of them náà ló máa ń dọ́jú owó wọn lọ salary tí wọ́n gbà lọ, okay, wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń ṣe ju gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n really plan fún wọn bóyá salary and everything tí ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ ń bò mí. So it's not good though for others to be crying and káwọn tó dẹ̀ máa to àwọn kókó máa jẹ́ kọ́ dẹ̀ máa believe pé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ọ̀dẹ̀. You know, when people complain too much, kọ́ máa ti pray, kọ́ máa ṣe pé ẹlẹ́dàá wọn lè máa ṣe pé make things easy. Ẹ gbọ́ change kò sẹ́ni tó lè do without complaint, but and nobody can do without fault errors, but minimize your error. Let your error Sherry good doing. Your good must be better more than your mistake. So please. Kó tó di pé woman yẹn yàrá lẹ́ǹkan sí our seat here, nobody, nothing moving. Some people will just sit down there, be one come and show what their eyelashes, their hair, their body, how they are beautiful. They just advertising, that's what they do. And they just be looking at you. To Banvelo Misro, not all of them, but some are saucy. Customer service, call very. Let's go and see customer service.
This is the line.
These people are customer service, and these are cards. Okay, maybe their network is back, huh? Maybe network is there. Just wait, we're going to sit here. I know, yeah, no problem, I know. Yes, I know. I'll follow you, don't worry. I shall only just watch him. How come I should be sharing lashes? Salary won't go. Don't you go, salary won't go. They try now. So what them but them back their salary. Today we come and do something to our one. Let me cover my head. No problem. I think maybe their network is bad.
Vamos embora.
Vamos sọ fún mi. Jọ, ẹ̀kọ́ náà yóò jẹ́ kí n rí so. You want to do what? Now? You want to pay for it? How much is it? $200?
75.
Cadê ele, maldição? Fica a dimensão. Which of them?
My credit. Service.
Phone no, my close 3 lele. I spent my device do 2 hours here. Yeah, my wife is going to the whole day normally. See you. Never reach here, I'm informing. Baba, they reach here. I'm updates. Thank you.